teamwork ain't about ego, it's about we go. Cricky!
So, what happens if you don't make it on time?
Oh, that's too horrible to even think about.
Well, think about it. Who would Marina marry?
Drake.
Drake? Well, is he any good to the ladies?
Yeah.
Well, Captain, full speed ahead! Here we go!
We only have 5 days left, Rocco. We're running out of time.
Look, we can't swim in this storm. Unless you want to die.
Maybe Drake will leave Marina alone.
Yeah, well, maybe Drake has already married Marina.
No. I know my girl. She'll wait. And if she accepts this, Pebble, we'll be married.
If she accepts the Pebble? You mean you're not sure if she's gonna accept the Pebble? You mean you're going through all this trouble and you're not even sure?
She'll accept it.
Oh, come on!
It's beautiful.
It's perfect.
Yes, it is perfect, isn't it, Rocco?
There, that ledge.
Rocco?
We have discovered an authentic ancient aviarial airstrip.
What?
This is beautiful. This is it.
You're not gonna try to fly again, are you?
Oh, you bet your tail feathers I am.
Rocco! Can't fly!
Ooh, feel that wind.
Rocco!
Oh, where's your sense of adventure? This is a chance of a lifetime!
This is the end of a lifetime.
Wind speed, perfect. Altitude, perfect. Tail feathers, perfect.
Rocco,
Wind,
don't!
span,
You're gonna
wind,
kill
sky,
yourself!
Airlift, he'll be watching. I'm flying, yes! Oh, wind speed, not on wind speed.
Oh, my elbow. Oh, I know I twisted something.
Rocco, are you all right? Rocco!
Get away from me.
But I just...
Don't touch me, just get away.
I was just trying to...
I don't need any help, just get away from me now.
Fine. Suit yourself.
I will. Just keep going. Go back to little Green Eyes, or whatever her name is.
Well, maybe I will.
Yeah, go.
See how long you last on your own.
Hubie. No!
Huh?
No, I mean, no, wait.
So you decided to apologize, huh? Well, then I...
Don't be stupid. I don't apologize to anybody. Look. That Pebble Brain is a killer whale. The meanest killing machine in these waters.
Goodness glaciers. You saved my life.
Oh, no. Come on, don't get all whiny about it. Just go play with your Pebble. It's no big deal. Just go.
No,
leave me alone.
No, I'm serious. I could have been killed.
I'm starting to wish you had. Just go, will you?
Can't you even admit that you like me just a little?
What? I don't like you. I hate you. I just happen to hate killer whales a little bit more than you, that's all.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Well, then, fine.
Fine is right.
When the whale leaves, we'll just go our separate ways then.
Yeah, well, sounds good to me. I don't need to be seen with... Hey, what is that? Who's that? What are you doing? Who? Aw, get your own shelter.
I was here first.
So I'm here second. So what? Move!